Hello everybody, and today's a crafty one. With what's happening around the world right now, I'm in need of some artistic stimulation. So what I want to try to create is I want to create those canvases where they have like a diagonally painted side and the other side is just white, and then what they do is they thread along a specific shape and then you use that as like a decoration, you know, like in your room. I want to put a sign, and it's this sign. This sign is my favorite sign to teach anybody, whomever I meet. As soon as they find out that I studied the sign language, they're always like, oh my god, like, what's your favorite sign? Or what's the easiest sign you can teach me? And I always go for this sign. This sign, if you don't know, it means I love you. It's a directional sign, so like if you're looking at somebody over there, you're like, you know? If you're looking at someone there, you face it towards them. Today I'm using acrylic paints. I don't have the thread. Okay, so what we need paint, thread, canvas, basically everything. I have brushes. Good job, Lean. You have brushes. Good job. Okay, so I'm at the store right now looking at all the paints and colors that they have, and I think I'm going with green. So now we're gonna try to get a canvas. I have two big canvases, but I don't want to waste them because I don't know if I'm gonna do good. Let's go. Okay, so we are back in my room, since we weren't even in my room in the first place. And I have two options that I'm looking at. This one and this one. I'm thinking about going for this. You know what? Yeah, we're doing this. I didn't know what size I needed, so I just got all of them. These are the two colors that I got. Both are satin acrylic paint. This one is vintage white. This one is thicket bosquet. I don't know how to say that, but it's green. I got these two. Green for the white part and black for the green. Wait, should I have gotten white? Oh my god. How does one make such a stupid mistake? I don't know. No need to stress, no need to stress. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint diagonally, one side green, one side white. Let's get it. Obviously, I'm gonna have to do more than one coat. I like these parts in these videos. So sorry. Oh, this could have gone so much better. Okay. Okay. I said I'm not a professional, and I'm just gonna go ahead and reuse this. I kind of feel like it doesn't need a second layer. Let's do this again. I'm happy. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna tape this down. I'm trying to figure this out, 1 second. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna try my best to center it. There's no way to really do this correctly, just by eye. Okay. Okay, so you can see the line goes through here. And so this part's gonna be green, and this part, I'll get white. But for now, we'll pin the holes. Ouch. So my foot is asleep. I was so focused on that part. It was really stressful because now I'm wondering how I'm gonna know which hole I poked for what, especially here. This is so intricate. I'm gonna have this right next to me, so I guess I could use it for reference. I'm gonna start with green. Who do I think I am? And we're not gonna tie it in the beginning. So we're gonna thread through the second one, and then thread it towards the end and tie it here. I know I said this wasn't a tutorial, but look at me, I look like I know my huh. Like 2 knots, there we go. That's nice. Okay, let's poke a hole right next to it. I think this will work. Yeah, and then thread it through. Ouch. Ooh. That works. Okay, so after every one that you put in, you just take like one canvas strand in front of it and you push it out. Okay. Not sponsored. Okay, so here, to go to the right, so I'm gonna put it to the right, not on the top. Okay, so I'm done with the green one. I cut the line and we're gonna tie 2 knots. Instead of switching between green and white, when I got to the point where it's green, as you can see over here, I moved to another part and started over here, just so I can get green done, go get white, and then get white done all together. Now you're gonna see the scene where I'm in the car on the way to get some white. Yo, comment down below what you think the song is. Okay, humans, we are back. So I noticed that it's a little bit easier to thread it through and not cause as much trouble when the string is not too long. So try not to keep it too long because it gets crumpled up when you're pulling it through and it's annoying. Now we gotta tie that up. Here comes the difficult part again. Okay, so I'm finally done. It took so long. It's nighttime right now. Got to catch up with my good friend. When I poked holes through the paper, I poked holes very close to each other, and that was a mistake because I didn't realize that when you poke a hole in, you have to poke a hole out very close to the one that you just poked in. Make sure you have the right colors and enjoy it. Honestly, this is unique, you know, like no one else has this piece, and I think that's the best part about this project. It has my heart in it and I love it, and now people can see it in my videos. This is my favorite sign. I'm actually very proud of it. I'm very happy with it. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, what kind of craft you think I should do next. I feel like Cora. She's so cute. She's smiling at me like she's in love. Hey. Look at us. Who'd have thought? Not me! Hit the subscribe button if you want to join this family. Click on any video you want to see next, and I'll see you next week. Have a good day. Yay! Okay, we're done!